I started working with a new client, and we were doing it for maybe like a few months, and all of a sudden I got a message, we're not getting any conversions for like 2 days. And I'm like, this is how Facebook ads work now. It's not like every day we get conversion. Some days are just bad days. And this is something that other people experience as well. Because we're on Reddit. On Reddit, yay. Yay, let me do the fireworks. This guy says, acceptable opening. Meta ads is getting worse and worse. And the little story I shared with you, it's relevant to this. It's very, very relevant. And now I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna waste a little bit of your time by doing the fireworks. This is the only video editing you get with me. I don't edit my videos like other business gurus. I'm raw. I'm unfiltered. I say whatever I wanna say. The reason why I do this channel is because after I got to like 1,000 to 11 subscribers, I'm gonna buy a Honda CR-V second generation. This is the Honda that I wanna buy, right? The exact Honda I wanna buy. And I'm gonna leave Facebook and I'm gonna live in my Honda CR-V. I'm gonna do a camping. I'm gonna live in my camper. All the money I make from this video, they're gonna be going to the Honda. Now let's see what other people are saying. I'm just kidding, yo. I'm just kidding. I'm watching like a lot of videos of people living in their cars, and I'm fascinated of how they do it. And I'm just like, there is also like the adventure that I wanna experience. So maybe I wanna do. I want to just go in the mountains, and I recently started doing hiking. So this is something that I find very interesting right now. Anyway, this guy says Meta ads is getting worse and worse. Since around April, our advertising ROI, which stands for ROI, return on investment, which used to be 3, has started to drop below 2 and has become very unstable. Sometimes the performance is great on weekends, but the other times we only get one customer in a day. Our monthly marketing budget is around 10K, 10,000 US dollars. We've discussed this with Meta's marketing expert, but adjusting the ad structure, creating materials, and so on doesn't seem to have improved the situation. What is he saying really? He's saying that the Meta marketing experts are useless, and this is something I agree. We need good algorithm. We need to hit people who are ready to spend money on our ads. It's not just ads. We've also tried A/B testing on landing pages and launching new products, but nothing seems to help significantly. Has anyone experienced something similar? Meta's marketing experts mentioned the recent changes in Meta ads have indeed affected some businesses. So Meta, they're admitting the fault. They know that something is wrong. They know people are not spending that much money. And for example, back in the days, I have clients and we were spending like a lot of money on ads. And right now, ads are just not working. This morning, I turned off a campaign for a client, and this campaign was working very, very well for maybe like 2 or 3 years. But right now, no matter what I try, nothing seems to work. Just this client is pretty much done. It's done because the algorithm is not as good as it used to be. However, I also still have campaigns that are working right. The new client I told you about, were doing campaigns, they were delivering results, but there was this like massive drop off. So it happened on, I don't want to share exactly how many days ago. However, we had a drop. So I experienced drops. I'm not the business gurus who are flawless. If you want to watch flawless YouTube ads gurus, unsubscribe from my channel and just go somewhere else, because I have plenty of viewers right now. 11 views per video, which is very, very well for me. He wants to ask, has anyone encountered a similar situation? Do you have any suggestions? Has anyone tried switching to a different fan page or IG account for ad placements? Oh, here, like very irrelevant questions. switching to a different fan page won't help you increase your conversion rates. Using a different IG account, Instagram account won't help you with your conversions. So what I would advise you to do, maybe try to increase your average order value. You've tried A/B testing on landing pages and launching new products. What about creating an offer people cannot refuse to buy? Now let's see if other people, or it's just like me and this guy. It's probably me and this guy who experienced some issue with Facebook ads, right? Let me do a little bit of fireworks to spice up this video. This is how you should do it. Extremely good video editing. All right, hey, I think so many have experienced the same this year. Since around February, I have seen a sharp decline, so you're not alone. Thought it might be the case for some advertisers. The chances are it's not you or your creative, but a combination of meta updates, bugs, economy worldwide, elections in a lot of countries worldwide, political uncertainties, etc. What is he trying to say? He's trying to say that Facebook is all wrong. Meta ads are not targeting the right people. People don't have any money. Like the algorithms are crazy because there are political elections all over the world. So Facebook is trying to not get themselves into a lawsuit because you cannot play with politics. You cannot play with politics. We saw what happened to Cambridge Analytica back in the days. So Facebook is very, very, very careful. They're very conservative about when running ads during election. I have another client, and I was setting a campaign for him a week ago, and my ads got rejected. The same campaign ran 6 months ago without any issues. Pretty much I said the same messaging, the same link, and they got rejected. Why do they get rejected? Because it is election year. It is election year, and the algorithms, Facebook tried to keep those algorithms sharp. The algorithms are sharp, right? So this is what I mean by election years. This guy advises the other guy. So try different campaign structure and see how does that goes. For me, Advantage Shopping campaign works the best at the moment. ABOs and CBOs seem to be all messed up. The algo doesn't even know where to put spend. I advertise worldwide, excluding just some countries, and it would, for instance, only spend 0.5 in the US, where most of my customers come from, and then $100 in Nepal, almost literally where the least of my customers come from. Same with placements. It used to figure out this is immediately. All right. It used to figure this out immediately and spend where it gets the best traction. So this guy is trying to say that Advantage Plus work for them, but like Facebook ads, they're not allocating the budget efficiently. They're spending money in places where people just won't buy, and this is the reality. If I put the glasses, is it more entertaining for you? Do you look smarter with the glasses? Let me know in the comments below. I don't really care if you subscribe or unsubscribe. There are like plenty of like other guys on Facebook ads on YouTube you could watch and just get like bad results. All right, it's like Facebook is taking turns of where these perform well. If you've been running ABO, CBO and they fail, try ACC, ASC, and see what it does. Thank you. I'm currently using Advantage Shopping campaign. The meta expert originally advised me to switch to ABO and CBO, but after testing, the results were even worse. I tried messaging you, but no avail. Let's chat in inbox. So this guy is trying to close some clients here. He's gonna do some proper outreach. I'm a small budget guy around here, around 7K a month. I average around 4 ROAS. I was dipping the first 2 weeks of August and relaunched new creative, and now the 5.2 ROA the last week. Experiencing the same dip early August. When you say relaunch new creative, can you explain how you did it? So did you create a new campaign, just duplicate the ad in the same campaign, etc.? if you don't mind sharing. And here we have the technicalities of Facebook, the little stuff, the little like button pressing. But this is not what will make your campaign work. If you want to see what will make your campaign work, watch my previous video. It's called The Best Facebook Ad Strategy for Service Businesses, but it applies to any business out there. Any business could learn something from me because I'm the smartest guy on Facebook ads. I have bad days, but I'm the smartest guy on Facebook ads. Subscribe or unsubscribe, I don't care. Anyway, this was a little bit weird, even for me. I'm just a nice guy. So, we have something interesting here. This guy posted a screenshot. A screenshot. Been dipping since mid-July. Go into your ad account setting. I think it's called advertising settings now. Have they enroll you in Advantage Plus testing? If so, click into it and uncheck the boxes. I think you also has this option when you set your creative. Like, maybe pause this video, take a very good look at this image, because this image will save your ad account. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Facebook ad situation is not great. It's not the best. However, I'm into the drama. And for me, it's great because you watch my videos, and the more videos you watch, the closer I am to this beauty right here. The beauty, the Honda CR-V. A lot of gurus talk about Lamborghini. I don't want me no Lamborghini. This is what I want. Can you go off-road with Lamborghini? No, I don't think so. Can you camp in a Lamborghini? Probably you could, but I don't see why you would do it. Anyway, what I don't understand is this scenario. Campaigns goes into active high performing. The day it gets 6 sales, the day after 9 sales yesterday and today. So far, crickets basically. So what is this guy saying? He had a campaign, he generated some sales, but right now it's crickets, 0 sales. How is that possible? I did not touch anything, and this is not the first time this happens in the last 6 months. I've never seen anything like it in my 7 years of running ads with fairly high budgets. Thank you. Right, so as you can see, all of those people, including me, we're making a lot of money with our Facebook ads. So if you have issues with Facebook ads, go subscribe to other channels, because other channels are making a lot of money with Facebook ads. However, some people are struggling. I'm just kidding. No, now seriously, on the issue of Facebook ads, things are not great. They're not the way it used to be. Am I worried? Of course I'm worried. Hopefully this will go after the election. Let's see the Facebook ads stock. Let's check the Meta stock. Let's go to the Google search and let's see how the Meta stock is doing. This year, let's see the Meta stock. Oh, it's down. It's red. No. So year to date, in the last 12 months, we can see... So it grew tremendously. Beginning of the year, February 2024, it started growing, right? And right now it's pretty much between 500 and 400. And now it's as high as it's ever been, right? As you can see, the dip of the Meta ads, the Meta stock, the top, the peak, the maximum. I'm not a financial guy. So 5th of July 2024. This was a month ago. And another peak we had during 5th of April. So pretty much what Facebook ads did, they increased our advertising. They're pumping the stock. They're making all the money from trading the stock and just us wasting our money on Facebook ads. So yeah. There is a way out. If you want to find a way out, click the links in the description below. Watch all my videos in order. Don't skip any videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.